Your furnace plays an important role in keeping you and your family warm in the winter. But did you know that it's also key to running your air conditioner in the summer? That means your furnace is working all year round to keep you and your family comfortable. Considering your furnace is putting in that much work year after year, it's important to make sure your system is inspected regularly to keep it running smoothly. Regardless of the age of your furnace, regular maintenance can help identify issues early to avoid costly breakdowns. An inspection will also help ensure your system is running optimally, giving you and your family comfort and peace of mind. At Reliance, as part of our maintenance, one of our friendly and knowledgeable experts will check all the necessary components of your heating equipment, including the thermostat, heat exchanger, and blower motor. They will also inspect your system's wiring as well as the filter, which can help deliver optimal air quality and efficiency. Don't wait until something goes wrong to have your system inspected, because winter will be here before you know it. Schedule maintenance early so you don't get caught in the cold. Call us today. With 24/7, 365 live telephone support, we're here to help when you need it the most. If you're looking for peace of mind all year round, consider one of our protection plans. Our heating and cooling plans can help avoid most unexpected repair costs if any problems with your systems arise. We also offer plans that ensure your maintenance is always covered. So remember, for all of your heating needs, call on Reliance.